Yeah, welcome guys. Today we're gonna be comparing Rehumanize AI first. Humanize AI.pro. Now, if you've been following our channel, you know we're always here to test out the best AI humanizers out there and compare it with Rehumanize AI by JBCONTENTLAB, which is our AI humanizer. I always make it very clear that it's rehumanized by JBCONTENTLAB because we understand that there are other rehumanized AI out there, so you won't be misled, right? So today we'll be comparing rehumanized AI versus humanized AI.pro. Now, okay, I'm just gonna so this is rehumanized AI by JB Content Lab, Humanize AI by JB Content Lab. This is what it looks like. Yes, Humanize by JB Content Lab. This is what it looks like. Now, we're going to compare Humanize AI by JB Content Lab uh, with Humanize AI.pro. Now, this is Humanize AI.pro. So, we're going to compare these two AI humanizers to see which is the best overall and in terms of quality, in terms of affordability, in terms of what it offers to you as a writer, a content writer, or perhaps an agency. So we're going to compare both AI Humanizer. Now, okay, to get started, I'd like to point out that when you sign up for Humanize AI.pro, you get 1,500 words to test out the tool, but you are limited to pasting just 300 words per run on Humanize AI.pro. You get 1,500 words, yes. But on Rehumanize AI by JB Content Lab, when you sign up, right, you get 500 words to test out the tool. Uh, Now, after 500 word, you can also you can also test out the tool by spending just $2, just $2, and you get 8,000 word. You get 8,000 word, right? 8,000 word to you can once you're done with the free plan, which is 500 words, and you still want to know if it's a tool you want to use long term, you can just purchase the $2 plan and actually test it out for the next 3 days, and this will give you 8,000 words. Yeah, so but on Humanize AI, you get 1,500 words to test out the tool, and then you have to subscribe, right? So now this is what Humanize AI.pro looks like. Now to compare quality, because we're going to be testing each of this both AI Humanizer across this four industry-related detectors: Copyleaks, GPT-0, ZeroGPT, and Originality.ai. We're going to be comparing to see which performs better in terms of quality, which performs better in terms of flexibility and what it offers, and also which is more affordable to you as a writer or as an agency. Now, okay, to get started, I'm gonna be um, copying. This is an AI article I've written clouded. So I'm gonna copy a portion of the test. So, alright, to do this, I'm just gonna copy. Let's see this portion of the test. Right now, don't forget I said we're gonna be running them through this four AI detectors. Now, I'm gonna run this on this is on Humanize AI.pro, right? So okay, this is what it looks like on Humanize AI.pro. I just love the space, right? So okay, so I'm just gonna click this Humanize. Then I'm gonna go to um ReHumanize AI by JBCONTENTLAB, which is our AI humanizer. I'm also going to paste same text here. Yeah, the sentence from AI generated text from Clouded. So now to show this is AI generated, I'm just gonna copy this section of the text and I'm just gonna throw it into GPT-0, and you'll see just like that. You can see this is AI generated. It's 100% AI. So this is the text we're trying to humanize now. Now, okay. Now to do that, then all right. I'm just gonna click humanize on rehumanize AI. Now on rehumanize, okay, let me go back to humanize AI.pro. Okay, now humanize AI.pro already gave out the humanized output, which is what you're seeing at the right hand side of your screen, right? So I'm just gonna copy this output. Now looking right away now, right? Um, I'm gonna copy this output, but I'd like to point out something here. On Humanize AI Pro, you can't actually format the text right away. Let's say I wanted to make this an H2 or an H3, right? I can't do that, right? So you can actually format the text on the dashboard here, but so you just have to copy, and I just had to copy. Then to make sure, the thing about AI humanizers is that I've got to notice that a lot of AI humanizers out there use poor content to actually kind of let's say trick the AI detectors. So because of that, we're gonna be running each text in Grammarly to proofread and where to just proofread. Okay, so run this on Grammarly now. So you can see there's a bit of error. Now I'm just gonna run this in Grammarly. Okay, right. Then I'm gonna copy this text from this text is from Humanize AI.pro. Don't forget. I'm gonna copy this and I'm just gonna text on we're gonna start with GPT-0. This is GPT-0, so I'm gonna text for that. Okay. Now Humanize AI.pro was able to bypass GPT-0. You can see we have an 100% human score. Okay, I'm gonna do the same text for ZeroGPT. Of course, I expect it to pass ZeroGPT because ZeroGPT is one of the least AI detectors, but unfortunately, we're getting an 85% AI score on ZeroGPT. So Humanize AI.pro struggling to bypass ZeroGPT. Now we have a 25% AI score. We have now, yeah, GPT-0, we had an 100% human score on ZeroGPT. We have a 25% AI score now, right? Um, this is for Humanize AI.pro, right? Now, okay, I'm gonna do the same text now for Copyleaks. We're gonna see how it fares on Copyleaks too. Okay, we have an 100% human score on Copyleaks, an 100% human score on Copyleaks. Then okay, lastly, I'm gonna run it um, through Originality AI. Just scan. Okay, it says the text here appears to be less than 15%. AI appears to be less than 15%. So it's I would say this is would classify this as human, right? So Okay, right, it was got 100% human score on Copyleaks, and also would say it was also got a good less than, but okay, let's just say 100% good human score on originality. Good human score. So okay, that is for Humanize AI.pro. Now I'm gonna do the same thing. Let's go to um this is ReHumanize AI by JBCONTENTLAB. Now this is the output. You can see right now. One thing about ReHumanize AI by JBCONTENTLAB is that you can actually uh, format your test right away. You can see we can format it right away if you want to. Yeah, you can just do whatever you want to, right? You can format you don't have to, you can do that right away on Humanize, ReHumanize AI, right? You can see, all right? So, okay, I'm just gonna copy this now. Then I'm gonna follow same process. I'm gonna run this through Grammarly, all right? Okay, I'm gonna run this through Grammarly, right? Then I'm gonna copy this. Then we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna run this through the four AI detectors. I'm gonna run this through GPTZERO. This is GPTZERO. All right, we got a 99% human score, which is 100% in a way. So I'm gonna do the same thing on Copyleaks. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on Copyleaks first. Okay, we also got 100% human score on Copyleaks. We got, don't forget, we got an 100% human score on GPT-0. We got an 100% human score on Copyleaks. We're gonna do the same thing now for originality. Of course, we also got an 100% human score on originality, right? Uh, you can see we got 100% human score on originality. You can see, you can observe that, all right, this part of the text is actually the part of the text that was spotted to be little bit 8% AI generated. That is why it's not showing green. But when we go back to, or if we go back to our text on Humanize AI.pro, you can see there was a larger part of the text that was showing to be AI generated. But no regardless, the both of them did bypass originality.ai. So okay, so we test. Okay, we had to test for um ZeroGPT. So I'm doing the last text now for ZeroGPT. Okay, and we also got a 34% AI score in ZeroGPT. It's kind of I think it's kind of awkward because I don't know, maybe ZeroGPT. Okay, I'm gonna point out something here. You see, when it comes to AI detection, ZeroGPT is not an AI detector I would actually recommend because it's not really accurate. I recommend you use GPT Zero, Copyleaks, and Originality to spot out AI generated content when you're working with the writer. But ZeroGPT I wouldn't recommend because there's a little bit of issues to so you've got to be careful not to uh make your judgment with just ZeroGPT. So I'll say you stick with originality, you stick with GPTZERO, and you stick with Copyleaks. Now, definitely, as you can see, um, right, we rehumanize AI by JBCONTENTLAB was able to bypass all four AI detectors. The same thing went for Humanize AI.pro. Now, okay, but the thing is, Rehumanize AI by JBCONTENTLAB gives more flexibility in terms of actually, let's say, formatting the text, right? And you can actually format the text right away, and that's one thing. Now, so when it comes to quality, one of them they are really going head for head. Like really really what are really really good AI humanizers you can trust to help you bypass all AI detectors. Now, okay, let's look at now aside from that, let's look at uh what other tools they offer before we go to the pricing, right? Now, on Humanize AI Pro, you get uh plagiarism checker, grammar checker, paraphraser, which I don't think would be helpful because it's basically AI generated. Basically AI generated. Same thing goes for the essay writer. Well, I think the only two useful tool here is the grammar checker and plagiarism checker. Now, let's say we want to put a grammar checker to the test, right? Let's say we click on the grammar checker. Let's see. Uh, then let's check. Now, okay, this is uh what the grammar checker looks like. It says 8 errors found. Okay. But the thing is just say fix. You can just click and fix, right? It's just spotting errors in terms of the pricing, right? So and it's kind of it's making it false because this is actually 9.99 per month, but it's recommending it to be just nine. You understand? In other words, the grammar checker is not something, it's not reliable, right? I want to advise to use the grammar checker. Now let's do the same things. Let's check what Rehumanize AI by JB Lab offers you aside from the AI Humanizer. Rehumanize AI by JB Lab also offers you a grammar checker, okay. But you would spot something right away on Rehumanize AI by JBCONTENTLAB. Now you'll see we've got a bulk mode here and we've got a dock mode here. Now, right on, okay, let me click first on the dock mode. On the dock mode, you get to humanize an an AI generated article. Maybe you got from cloud from wherever you get in the article, maybe Gemini, maybe ChatGPT. You just get to type the AI article here, then you just click on humanize, then you get a completely humanized article that is already be formatted. It's already been formatted, it's looking polished, and you can submit right away. Now, okay, but that's not the feature you get on Humanize AI the Pro. Let me show you what it means, right? Now I click on attach, right? I'm just gonna copy, I'm just going to paste an AI article. I actually okay, I'm just gonna paste this. Okay, now okay, I'm gonna paste let's see, come in. Okay, I'm gonna paste this article. Oh, I'm trying to look for an article to, okay. I'm gonna paste this article. This is okay, I'm gonna show you this article here now, so you know what I'm talking about. Now, this is the article I just pasted in here. Let me show you. Now this is the article I just pasted in. Now this is an AI generated article from cloud, right? Just give me a minute. I want to be sure that that's an AI generated article because I've humanized a lot of article here. So okay, let's use this article for example. This is an article. So okay, this is AI generated here. So I'm just gonna what's the title again? Share those two verse with PS, right? I, mean, I want to show you unique fiction on Rehumanize AI by JBCONTENTLAB. I'm just going to copy that, paste, attach that article. Now, yeah, this is the article shared hosting first with PS. Okay, this is 2211 words. Okay, yeah, that's the article here. Now, then I'm just going to click, you just click humanize. Now, you've just, that, we're trying to humanize, look at what we're trying to do here. We're trying to humanize this article from we got from cloud, and I'm going to show you that this article is actually AI generated. So you can see, all right, I'm just going to show you something. Now this is the article. I just copied the article so you see it's AI generated. You can see it's 66.8%. It's AI generated. It's supposed to be showing you 100% AI generated here. You get me? So right now this is let me go back. You can see we tried to humanize the entire article here. You see we just attached then to humanize. Then it gave us the preview. Now all you just have to do is download doc. Now, once you download the doc, you get uh, you get this. Now, this is the article. You can see it's giving you back a humanized article that is properly formatted, ready to be submitted if you want to, or just go over it. You can see it is retained the. I want to show you something. Now, it has retained your. Okay, this is the AI generated one. You can see it says retain your headers. Just retain the headers. It does not change it, right? You can see right how Shadowstone works, who Shadowstone uh, is actually good for. You can see it says retain your headers, and are you seeing it? Now this is the humanized text we've got by just attaching our article. And when we copy this, I want to show you something. When you copy this right now, and we go over to don't forget this was to prove that the test was AI generated. Then we'll go over to show you this on Copyleaks. You can see just like that, you've completely humanized the 2,500 word. And you've completely humanized the article. It's 100% human written, right? And aside from that, you just add to you've gotten an article that's completely formatted and it's looking really good. Now I'm just gonna copy this article now and I'm gonna paste it into uh now into Rehumanize AI grammar checker. I'm gonna show you what the grammar checker looks like. Right? Then okay, this is what the grammar checker looks like. Now I'm gonna click on check grammar. Don't forget there's a lot of words. You can see we compared what's it called now? We compared um, Humanize AI the programmer checker, and it's really not usable. It's uh it's really not a tool that I would recommend for to fix your grammar because it's spotted. This is what it's spotted right here. Now I'm just gonna copy for the sake of it, you can see it's spotted just eight errors as a then, and this with just errors that has to do with the pricing. I'm just gonna copy the same text. Then you can see you can see what the grammar checker looks like, right? You can see it's spotting a lot of errors, right? You can see you just have to go through it. You can apply fees. It's spotting 154 issues, 154 issues, right? And you can just fix it with a click of the button. Now I'm just gonna copy this same text that has not been this same text and paste it into Grammarly. I want you to see something. Um, and you can see there's a lot of issues too on Grammarly. Now, but you can see, right, even the humanized text from Humanize AI by JBCONTENTLAB is quite good. You got an 85% score on Grammarly. Now, we've got this before 85%. Now, when you humanize with let's go back. When I fix all the grammar issues here, I just say fix all. Are you seeing it? Just a click of a button, just a click of a button. Then you can see just like that. That's one of the difference. You can see Rehumanize AI grammar checker. It's more usable. It's it's a good alternative to Grammarly itself. So you don't have to buy Grammarly separately when you're using Humanize AI, but you would have to get Grammarly separately when you're using uh, Humanize AI.pro because the grammar checker is not reliable. Now, and aside from that, Humanize AI offers a doc mode which gives you the ability to just attach the text one click of a button and you get a properly humanized formatted article that you can just go through or submit right away. Now, let's talk about pricing. Let's talk about pricing. Now, when it comes to pricing, Rehumanize AI offers you, or Rehumanize AI by JBCONTENTLAB offers you um, a free plan of $500 per month. All right. And you get a 3-day stack access plan for $2, which you get 8,000 words. Now, for the main plan, which is the starter plans, costs you $90 and you get 25,000 words. Now, let's compare this uh to the pricing of Humanize AI the Pro. On Humanize AI the Pro, you get uh for $10, this is literally $10, yes. You get 10,000 words. You get 10,000 words monthly. Now, but don't forget, for $9 you get 25,000 words on the Rehumanized AI by JB Content Lab. Now for $18, you get 85,000 words per month, right? 85,000 words per month. And let's compare with now when you compare with Humanized AI Pro, the standard plan costs $20, which gives you just 25,000 words. And that's so you can see when it comes to affordability, Rehumanize AI by JB Connect that is a more better alternative than Humanize AI the Pro. When it comes to quality, they are both really good, but when it comes to when it comes to other features you get like the grammar checker, uh, humanize, rehumanize AI is a better alternative to humanize AI to Pro. Not it comes, not the mention the fact that you can just attach your um AI generated article, just click a button and you're getting a completely humanized AI article, a completely humanized article that's properly formatted and bypasses all AI detector now, right? So when it comes to overall Rehumanize AI is the clear winner, right? Rehumanize AI, it's a better alternative to Humanize AI the Pro when it comes to features, when it comes to affordability, when it comes to actually your workflow quality. Rehumanize AI, it's a better alternative to Humanize AI the Pro. So if you're looking for a better alternative to perhaps the AI humanizer you're using right now, perhaps maybe it's because of the quality, or because of the pricing, or because of the feature. Rehumanize AI by JBCONTENTLAB, it's a better alternative. And that's not just the feature it offers, it also offers you read breeze. Now read breeze is a readability tool like Hemingway. So you can actually uh yeah, this is how it works. This is it, right? This is the text we the article humanize, right? And you can just check readability, click on it, and it works as magic. Now, so if you're looking for a better alternative to the AI humanizer you're using right now, Rehumanize AI by JB Lab is the best alternative. Is arguably the best humanizer out there in the internet right now. And that's why we're doing this review videos to spread the publicity out there, and also actually prove our claim when we make such claims as the best AI humanizer out there. Now, thank you for staying up to this point, and it's really great to have you here. Now, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and of course, do to share the video with a friend which needs an AI humanizer. I look forward to see you in the next video. My name is Sam. Bye.